So I'm going to show you how we introduce this dog to water, and I use my personal dog just to help out, just to encourage the dog to come into the water. But the first thing I would do here is, however, you got to get him in the water, and I'm just going to, he's a big boy, but I'm going to pick him up here, okay? And I'm just going to set him down real nicely if I can. So I'm going to put him in the water, and I'm just going to keep him here for a while. And then what we'll do is we'll practice putting him in and out of the water. Okay, there's an edge there. Yeah, he's getting comfortable already. All right, let's try taking him out and putting him in. Okay, we might struggle a little bit here, but we're gonna see how this goes. Come on, Drew. Come on. Okay. No problem coming out. We're gonna go back in again. Alright, we'll do that just 1 or 2 more times. You see how fast this goes. But if you've never done it, you'll notice the dog will never. Come on, in the water. In the water. Okay, so he's pretty much got it. Come. Okay, Drew? So he's going in on his own now. Come. Come on, Drew. Let's go. Come on, Drew, in the water. Oh, here's his first time swimming out. Good boy.